You've got your fruiting chamber all set up, ready to go. You're going to select your location where this is going to be. You want your Mr. when you go to check on these several times a day. You're going to want to circulate the air for them. The lid will normally be kept up, but you've drilled holes in your lid so that allowing for all that excess carbon dioxide to make its way up. But you still want to get in there, and that's where this lid comes in. And so the best method that I've found for doing this is to just go a couple of fans and a spray, and a spray, and a spray. And just to keep doing like this for just a minute or so, where you're putting lots of moisture in the air. If you do this a couple of times a day, you shouldn't have any problems creating beautiful fruits. Our next video, we're going to talk about pinning, fruiting, picking, and printing. I guess that's all the P's in the next episode. I'm looking forward to pinning with you. I'm looking forward to printing with you. I'm looking forward to picking with you. This sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun. I hope everything goes well with your cakes. Some pointers when you're not fanning and fruiting and picking and printing. Send them good thoughts. Don't think about them. Think towards them. So as you see your guys and you think, many fruits, my sweet, many fruits, my sweet, then you can watch your magic begin to happen. So here we go. We are getting to the fruiting stage. I am excited to see your pictures. I am excited to see your setups. I'm excited to see where you're growing, and I'm excited for the next stage. So I'm about to finish packing up these boxes and head on out to the post office. Happy fruiting, mycelium group. Happy fruiting.